and we're installing an iDig system on a mini excavator.
Okay. How confident are you?
Well, I guess we'll find out because I've never done it before.
I'd say I'm 50-50 at this point. I've spent around 10 minutes looking at the manual, and I might be a little bit in over my head, but we'll see.
They're a little ambiguous with what might be difficult and what might not be. Reading the manual makes it sound very easy. I'm sure there'll be a lot of things to jump to from text to on the machine itself, so we'll see how that goes.
We wish you the best of luck.
All right.
What's that look for? What's that look for?
Increasing my angle.
I need to start over.
1.699. That seems good to me. I don't know what the length is.
I might have gotten just by chance the right measurements, but I didn't, so had to figure out how to get the proper setup for this now. Because this laser has to be facing this way. If it's not, if it's facing on its side, there's a compensator in here that's going to make sure things are level. If it's like this, it'll do that. If it's like that, it won't. So we're hoping that this will do the trick.